Hi, so today I'll be doing my first unboxing video. I ordered a bikini off of Amazon and it just came. Now we're going to open it up and see what's going on. I'll post all the details about it in the description, but it's a 3X bikini. And now there's just sticker stuff on it. Let's see. How do we open this? There we go. Alright, so here is the top. Well, this looks really big. I think it's going to be too big. This is the top. This is way too big. Oh, wow. Holy crap. And this is the bottom. There's no way this is 3X. I don't know. Maybe it just looks really big. We're going to find out. Give me just a second. We're going to try it on. Okay. So I have it on and it's actually too big. Just so, yes, I have panties on. Good rule of thumb, whenever you try on a bikini or a bathing suit, make sure you have panties on until you wash it because you don't know who else has tried it on. Anyway, so it is really cute. I like it. If it was a little bit smaller, I would be happy with it. But as you can see, it's not tight here and it's not tight here, so there's like no support, and it's just kind of like hanging on my curves, not really fitting where it should fit. I'm probably going to return it and try 2X and see what that does, because this one is just too big. There's no support anywhere for anything. Anyway, like I said, the details of this will be in the description, and I am returning this one. I'm going to go for another size. Bye!